found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
They can turn on the music now, something to tell you.
Just come now.
I lie.
I'm here.
Hope you don't get upset.
With what? How happened?
Oh, you don't want to laugh, no? You get upset?
No, sir.
Something happened the other day.
Like what?
You don't say I get upset, I'm mad, you know. Maybe we tell you tomorrow.
No, Melica, nobody I do. Why can't I do that to me? Don't to sleep with that all night tonight. I'm gonna get upset about. What happened?
Somebody kiss me.
Who that?
Oh, yeah. Don't get upset, you know.
Sure.
What?
I get upset, Melica. Go on, go. Yeah, Frank, me put on it. Frank, me put it.
Good morning, guys. Don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building for the set good. Look now. That way in carry a bicycle. Me have to lift up the bicycle and I carry it. I'm gonna turn the phone. That way in run gone. And me have to lift up bicycle. I walk through bush. And I never see that like this yet. Me have to lift up across the bridge too. Tell you. Look, oh, Tawian, lifting up Tawian bicycle through the bushes, across the bridge. Mash me up, I watch him now. The funny. Oh, mosquito, you kill him for my body. So, watch out. We're gonna go down the road, then back up the road, and then complete ready. Mommy, I walk with her. Put on her belt and be things. Tell her so she has look slim from what you know.
I mean, I don't know exercise.
Look slim, man, and I tell her no lie.
Guess Mr. eat less.
Yeah, I eat less. Anyways, guys. Tawian, I don't want to ride down the hill.
Me a break, you know.
I don't want to go so fast down the hill.
Yes, me.
Go on,
You water bucket there.
Take your time, hold the break. Skylife pattern. I need somebody to love, need somebody to touch. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Check out my hair growth. My hair is growing so much. If y'all remember,
Skylife.
What were you gonna say?
Skylife in the building,
If y'all remember a couple of months ago, maybe in November, I cut off my ear. The growth, watch out, the growth. I drink a lot of vitamins and minerals and stuff like that. So that's a courtesy for my growth. I am all dressed to walk on the road. Don't know. I have a Skylife Fitness Solution belt. You can get a belt at www.skylifefitnesssolution.bigcartel.com. But we head over the pig pen because they're fixing up a pen. So we're just gonna look on that real quick and be on our way. Morning.
Morning, Skylife. Melissa Skylife in the building.
Yeah. Tawian, you know say pig we bite you. Boy. Where you see all him so? A lie. You never call me.
Come on in there, one, no one. The 1 hour in there.
Watch out. Karen, why are you troubling the pig? No, come here.
Oh, excuse me.
Some... Karen, you know, say me pinch up on your finger, though. You know that?
And if we bite him,
Yes.
bite him out.
So, mommy, so what kind of fix up you when I do so? I don't see it.
Huh?
I don't see fix up.
Huh?
Where you fix up there?
What do you mean?
I don't want your men to deal with it.
You don't know how you went state, so you don't see the difference.
Me check back your vlog, me have a pan here. Oh, that pen here now when I fix up. That one
I'm
here?
going to set you up to put in the brand.
All of
Okay.
them.
The brand in there. The brand
Seriously?
jump in there because this man.
Wait, pan this lady, pan that one there?
Seriously?
What you say happen? What you say happen?
I take the video.
Say what?
When the brand jump him. 1 hour. He said no, sir.
So when we put the pig them together for mate. Me never know see a fan in there so. Under here so. Mommy boy, you go like a 50 pig you have though.
Where is it?
You go like a 50 pig you have. Like me expect more pig.
You know, come over here the other day, Melissa. Me kill 2 the other day, no? Me
Okay.
kill 2 Richard the other day.
Oh.
But me,
Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink,
the herb
oink.
did come.
Come take a picture with the pig, Tyrone. Come stand up right there so and take a picture with him. You don't want to take a picture? Watch out. Why Tyrone I try lock up a pig mouth? You don't want to take a picture with him? Yeah? Mommy say.
That.
Come down and 5 pence. Sit. Come right there and take a picture with the pig. See him push out his mouth. Yeah, Aria, come.
No, me not take no picture.
See? See?
Catch me.
Tell me that. Try to hit him off. Catch her when I'm out. See this one?
No, the one that I forget.
Tywin, mind him bite your finger. Tywin, pull out your hand. Tywin, pull out. Tywin, mind him bite your hand, Missy boy. Tywin, you're not hearing enough. Watch out. You see if him bite your hand, you're not gonna like it. I know that.
Oh.
I got two extra.
So when you catch him, what you going to do?
Take him out, no?
And do what?
So just now
So,
we went to the pig pen. So when we put the pig them in a pen them for mate, mommy say the pig them pan in 1 hour straight.
Wow.
Long distance to la. Oh God. Bonnie and Clyde.